right. Got 5 minutes for red folder news. Getting everything set up now. Go ahead and edit all this. Live stream. Upload thumbnail. Hoping it's 8:30 day. For real. All right. All set up now. All right. I'll be right back. Mm, 2 minutes, 36 seconds. So high impact news. Shit, jumpy. Every Thursday you got unemployment claims. So we'll see, because we got 2 red folders today. Final GDP, unemployment claims. We got a lot of orange folders as well. So a lot of news today. We'll see what that winds up turning into. I'll do a quick breakdown, I guess. So we had a candle that finally closed bearish, which has essentially created a resistance. But ultimately, we're still just bullish as hell on gold. But as y'all know, I'm a scalper. So I just look for ranges in which I can take advantage of. So I'd say you probably want to, if it breaks these highs, it's likely going to go up. But there's a resistance right there. So it's probably just safest to buy above this resistance right here. Targeting, let's see, probably like up into there, this resistance right here, which is also a support. Long targets kind of up into here. On sells, I mean, shit's just bouncing back and forth. All we're doing is waiting until it closes under there. Same deal. Probably targeting into there first, into there last, right here. So we'll see. We got news in 20 seconds. So We start breaking like daily highs and stuff, I may have a buy stop just to see if we can go. 10 seconds. But until this really turns around and gets out of this range, it ain't nothing to do. So let's see. Ooh. All right, there's the fall. So let's see what happens if it starts breaking up. I ain't messing with it now though, with all this jumpiness. So right now it just fell. No top wick, just fell down 90 pips. But if it starts breaking all these highs, you don't have a stop loss. But it should get going after clearing out all these lows. Let's see. What up, Tonyo?
What up? My computer is tripping.
Folks ain't gave me no sort of update whether they accounts got rectified. I'm just wondering what the outcome was. They did me right. I said they would though. What say you?
Seems like they kind of dragging their feet a little bit on mine, man. They gave me that 923 to 927 speech, and I got trades inside that little time frame. It's like, what y'all gonna do? I ain't had time to follow up with them yesterday, but I'm gonna follow up with them today.
You good? You better than me. You're a better man than me. I'm on them till I'm on them like white on rice.
Yeah, I got time.
That's the difference in the payout.
For sure.
Yeah, I'm in the same boat as Jamal.
Oh, damn. So they ain't got back to you yet either? Are you just waiting?
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Gotcha. Yeah, I would like to think they're gonna do right. I just can't believe it take a day to do it.
I'm also still waiting. Unfortunate.
Bruh, that's wild. That's so crazy. They literally said to me, "Yep, I just adjusted your balance." Like that was that easy. They didn't. Roger, what you mean? What did y'all say differently? Or what did you say differently that me and Tonio said? Was it just a case-by-case basis where they said yes or no? Because y'all other three, y'all still waiting and they ain't said no just yet. But with Roger, he said they ain't say nah, nope.
I got to reset.
You said you got that reset?
No, I'm saying I got to reset my computer.
Oh, okay. All good. Said James, first time. And I had to follow you, Trade Good, as well. Thank you in advance for sharing your trades and knowledge. No problem, Johnny. Appreciate you hopping on. I think that's the best way to teach. To show everything. Time frame dinner line gave me a long email. Roger and these damn emails, boy. I tell you, y'all stop emailing these folks. But go to that dashboard, click that bottom right, and click talk to support. They give you an answer. I'm cool. Right here. Boom. Send us a message. Boom. Instant send funded. Boom. You can say yes, I have an account, or no, I don't have an account. Either one. I'll say I have not purchased an account. I'll say talk to support. Boom. Bullshit. AI. Connect. And agent. They're literally gonna say, all right, we'll connect you and it's gonna take 2 minutes. Same shit. But yeah, I do not email these folks. They take way too long to reply to emails. It's not hard. So yeah, we'll see if we keep on coming down today though, because we're still bearish on the day. And this could have just been the top wick to come down and start re-breaking its own low to fill this wick right here. It's 100 pips on the break of that low. So we'll see. But for now, if it's gonna keep on blasting through all this, then I'll just wait on sales. Hell, all the way under here. I don't even care. We'll see. There you go. Eliza. That's that simple. Just reach out to them folks. It's not hard to get in touch with them. Alright, just close out of this. Messages. Yeah, bro. I'm the most support hidden nigga. Can't hear you. Sound like you underwater.
You can hear me now?
I can now.
So I was talking to that person, Zach. I seen on your support.
Yeah. Zach helped me, I want to say. Yeah. Okay, we can deposit 170 into your account effective. Remove the loss. Just a moment. And he said your balance. Yeah, done. Thank you for your assistance. That's it. I can't believe they doing all that for y'all. They doing the most.
Man, listen, my head above water. I ain't tripping about this, man. My account not breached, and I
1,100 loss on a 50K.
That's true. That's true. I'm gonna get it back for sure.
Man, that's just an unnecessary. Like, but I'm confused as to what even happened though. Like, even after you came back, like, did you take how big of a loss was it? 30, 35?
Man, I really, if I could tell you, if I could explain it, I really would. I really could.
Bro, I took a 16 pip loss. Oh shit. Damn, this thing all in, boy.
I'm about to see.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hey. Are you good?
Yes,
Daily
sir.
low during time of volume. Made a high, flip down, break its own low, 37.60. We still 100 pips away from that, which is insane. But we about to flip on the daily if it start breaking through here, which is still at 70 pips away from the flip. Bro, them stop losses be so fat and nasty when I'm taking them daily low plays. That's why if it pull back like 20, you just gotta get out. Unless you just trying to see. But as we get closer and closer, I might just put a little stop sell, no lot. Ooh, okay. Yeah, let me go ahead and put my little stop sell just in case.
Well,
It's
break
at
a daily low.
37.60. Yeah. And it's quick though, like this is dumb quick. It's gonna slip me. I already know it's gonna slip me. I'm gonna just put a limit buy right there, because just in case it split me back.
3.5.
37.60.5. Bro, I pray to God that it don't just get me in and like pull back though. But bro, this is falling with hella volume. Like this is a 5-minute candle that's just fell 75 pips. And all I'll be wanting is 30. That's why I'll be like, bro, please don't come with the BS if I get into this.
I think it should at least get to the previous day low at the very minimum.
Like the wick, right?
Yeah, the wick fill.
That's what I'm thinking. I mean, after you came up, made a top wick on the daily time. Like if you traded the daily time frame only, then you would say break of the daily low, wick fill, and you should be good.
Yeah, and that's 100 pips away. So
that's 100 exactly. I just said that while you was off. So I'm looking at the same exact thing. That's yeah, it's funny. Like I'm putting stop sales over here. Like we close. That shit just pull back 60 pips. And that's what I'm not gonna be in. I pull back for 30, 40, 50. I'll take my little minus 20 on a break of the daily low. Hell, I'll take minus 25. I'm not sitting in minus 40, minus 50. I think it's about to fall for at least 50 to 60. All I need is 30 on these accounts. But on my personal account, I'm gonna shoot for 50 if you want to give it to us. The same way these candles is moving 50, 60 pips in a 5-minute candle, that's 107 pips in a 5-minute candle. And the next candle did the same thing. 100. So we'll see. That's 840 candle. Did that close below? And kind of respect it, but with this volume, these 5-minute lows just gonna keep making, and breaking. If it break this low, it probably is gonna come down fast. I just need to come down, get me in, push another 50, 30, 40, 50. Oof. Bruh. $45 in 1 minute. Let's see if we got any supports that it's struggling at. So we got this support right here that it keeps rejecting out of. That's the second time now. Right there. There's a 4-hour support. Same 4-hour support. So if it does break, clear all this and come down here, it should at least come into this next 4-hour support, which is 40 away. So we'll see. Man, they don't know. They don't give a damn about me. No, they not equipped to help me. They do not give a damn about me. Who am I? Niggas be hitting their head for hundreds of thousands of dollars, probably. But maybe though. Maybe I got a little influence. But I don't think I get access to no like special type of support, if I'm not mistaken. Tonio, did they be taking long to get to you?
Nah, I only had the email like a couple times, but most of the time it's chat only.
I showed them what it is to get to support. It's literally top one is futures instance and funded. I have not purchased an account. You can say yes, you have, or no, you haven't. It still don't matter. And then you just say talk to support, and then they get somebody to you in like 2 minutes. Literally. Yeah, that's what it is for me every time. And then they in the chat talking about some maybe you get some special treatment. Nigga, they don't know me. This nigga Elizer from New Zealand don't give a fuck about me. I seriously don't. Maybe. I think they just like me. They like me smacking their pockets? I don't think so. They like the old Brandon way more than they like me. I can promise you that. Brandon was making donations. And Brandon was making donations to the congregation. Y'all seen that, what is that meme of that dude? Oh, a SpongeBob coming in and out the door. That was Brandon running to that ATM to buy a new account. That's all he did. But now, we changing it. Talk to a rep. He said all those prompts. I went through hell and high water to get to talk to an agent. Boy, that took me 30 seconds. Rogers just say, fuck it. I gotta email him. What I'm not gonna do is wait on an email back from him. That's what I'm not. That's not gonna happen. Turbo. Come on, man.
Perfect.
We're 130 pips away, so I believe that now is a good time to go ahead and delete all. Well, re-add it. James Kirkland will re-add if necessary. like that, Tony. I said, there's no we, my brother. I'm not responsible for nobody's trades. If you chose to take a trade, that's because you believed in the position. Now that we tapping into this support and holding the support, I'm gonna just go ahead and move all these down here. Support. Next target. Support. Next target. Not even more. 15-minute candle just closed. But it closed respecting. This came down first. It's breaking its own high. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish back in the range, I may take a buy at 9. It keeps breaking lows. We'll see. They can close back above there. I'll definitely take that. All right, 100 pips away again for the daily low. Breaking. $37.60.5 is the daily low, so it's still a little ways away. Man. Antonio, what's your balance end up being after yesterday?
230.28.
That's not bad. Not bad first day when all you need to make is 2,500. Or sorry, 1,500.
Yeah. So that's $60 from the max.
Exactly. So, all right, we're about to add it back. Bro, oh, this is nasty today. All right. 30 seconds. So it's about to break the 15-minute low or close to it. So I might add it back. If we get to like 37.65, I have a feeling it's about to drop, bro. What's going on? Gotta be quick with the trigger finger if it gets into negative, though. That's the only thing. But it's tapping into that same 1 hour and 4 hour support right there. So if it can just like keep re-breaking its lows during this time of volume, it should be good. If it keep rejecting, it's just gonna reject. I guess I'm gonna set it again just to be safe if it wanna fall super fast. But I could just be deleting it again. What you think about the volume, Tonio?
I don't think it's 930 volume, but it's a little bit.
You don't think these 5-minute candles falling 100 pips is 930 volume? We'll see though.
Yeah, we'll see when we get in.
There's no we, my brother. When we.
When us as individuals get in there.
Okay. There is no we. I'm kidding.
This the news candle, right though?
It is. It's still 8:30. And there was 8:30 news. I just hate getting in so far from the damn top. The best entry is obviously either up here or down here or something. But is this going to keep respecting this 4-hour support? I want a day where I take a win and just call it. I've been taking a small loss and then a win the last 2 days or 2 or 3 days, whatever it's been. So I don't want to take a small loss. I cut that bitch at minus 15, 20 so fast, boy. Staring at that shit. I'm telling you, this is not financial advice. Y'all following a random person on YouTube. I'm a random person that y'all don't. Best of luck to you if you decide to take the trade. No technical stop is whatever this high is for 60. What I'm not doing is sitting those 60 pip drawdown, thinking it's gonna come down to 40. Okay, I might need to put that in my description. This is not financial advice, because it's not. It's really not.
It is Jesus and God, yes.
All right. If we re-break the daily lows during this fucking push. All right, I got my hand on the trigger finger.
I don't see why not.
Bruh, on the day, I'm looking at the daily more than anything. Like the daily re-break of its own lows. It's nothing different than taking like a 1 hour. But all right, it's about to potentially get me in. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna be quick with it though. 3760.5 is the daily low. If it re-breaks that, should be good. I wouldn't mind if it hung out right here for 3 minutes, then the next candle broke it, but it's probably gonna keep re-breaking its own low and then push it on down, honestly. Stretch. I don't have time. Watch when he get us in. For me, it's gonna fall in the first 5 seconds. They gonna say you had to wait 10 seconds. Trust and believe. I got my little buy limit down here. I got my buy limit over here on my trade of 8 chart. I'm on the 5 just because of the volume. It's only 15 pips away from my entry. This is kind of crazy though. Like, come on, bro. All right, I got my finger on the exit off. Promise you. I don't got time to play. 10 pips away from my entry. Please don't get me in and go out. Please don't. Roger at work trying to trade this shit. That's wild. On the phone trying to take the daily low. Bro, you got to have such a quick trigger finger. I'm just looking for 30 pips, bro. 30. Y'all been falling 50, 60, 70, 80 in 5-minute candles. And I'm looking for 30. This is what I don't want to happen when we in. Oh my God. But when it breaks its low now though, it's game time. There's really no rhyme or reason to this trade, y'all, other than the fact that it's volume time, re-break of the daily low after the daily done came all the way up here, made a top wick. Now it's flipping back down, potentially re-breaking its own low as a wick to fill right here. I mean, bruh, asking for 30 pips is not asking for a lot. It really should be going like 100 if you put it on the higher time frame. So let's see, it's close. Oof. All right, please don't slip me. He's getting close. I'm quick with the exit if it goes negative on me, y'all. I'm not lying. I got to be. I'm trading 3s and 6s. It's flirting with it, ain't it? That's where DJ would have got in back in the day. He sit quiet, and there'd be a win, and he'd be like, "Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I caught a little extra because I got in before you got in." I said, "Okay, keep doing that." All right, new 5-minute candle about to open. I'm gonna use whatever that high is as my technical stop. If it flip, start filling this wick, that'd be great. Only 4 minutes left in this 1 hour candle. So even if we're waiting on the next 1 hour, that's still fine with me. If it start pulling back like a mother, then it's gonna be waiting. Bro, that's crazy. If it closed respecting this, that'd be even crazier though. Because now you're rejecting out all this. Man, look at this 5. DJ would have been good inside. Well, I am about to delete again, it looks like. Unless it wants to just have a crazy fall down the way it came up. I have no stop loss. Appreciate y'all tuning in on YouTube. Go ahead and drop a like. Please subscribe. Go ahead and drop a like, drop a like, drop a like. Subscribe. Might as well. Y'all tapped in already. Yeah, this can be deleted. Flatten all. Exit all. Boy, look at this 5 minute. Shit. You see why I don't like sitting in 5-minute pullbacks? But the move now is the break of this high. But I prefer a closure above it, just in case you want to BS around here. But what do we know about weak 15-minute bearish highs when it break? It's about to go up. It retested. it. And the daily just flipped again. The 4 hours the 4 hour broke lows, but it's rejecting out of support. The 1 hour is rejecting out of support. The 30-minute is rejecting out of support. The 15-minute is about to close bearish. So that's the only thing that's like, So it's in a range ultimately. Unless it closes below this. But 2 minutes, a lot can happen in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna just sit on my hands till then. Okay. 45 seconds. I wish Roger was here to say it's looking like 9:15. Unless you just want to break down into here. But then that means, once again, like I always be saying, you just already done ran 80 to get down there. If we just close like this, ain't nothing to really do. 5 seconds. Quick up, flip down, fill this range right here. Reject out of this same support right there. This is gonna blast through though. All right, I might be looking again, Antonio. Third sell stop. Unless we're gonna reject that. If it's done it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. What I say, who am I to think that it's not gonna happen again? Jordan the man. What's good, bro? My folks be tuning into these live streams. I appreciate it for sure. Trying to see what we can do today. I'm trying to see what we can do today. All right, I'm about to set the third one. In about 20, 30 pips away, I'm gonna set it. But if it just keeps rejecting, I ain't doing a damn thing. Highest time frames look good to come down. I'll say that, which is the daily. A re-break of its own low. 4 hour, continue to re-break that low and the next low down here. That'd be super straight. All right, I'm gonna set it again. Ooh, it's coming fast. You don't got no stop losses, so gotta be quick with the trigger finger. It's like can't leave. There's so many supports over here. That's the thing that's holding it up, because all these supports. But we'll see. I done deleted that shit 3 times. But it'd be crazy if you had to pay commissions for all orders, even if you didn't get in. Like if you just like set it. I bet people would be way more like hesitant to just be setting BS. I done set this same sell stop 3 times now. Got 9 folks in the, okay, appreciate y'all for liking it. Y'all definitely show love. Thank y'all. Like and subscribe, Up to 277 subscribers. I was at 245 a couple days ago. So appreciate it. Right now, all I'm looking at is the break of the daily low during the time of volume. Y'all know I trade breakouts, fakeouts, and break of daily low during a time of volume. But interestingly enough, this isn't just a on a whim trade, and this is actually price action involved as well, because the daily closed bearish yesterday, formulating a new resistance. This candle made its way down. Then it made its way up to make a top wick. When I got to the chart, price is all the way up here or close to it. And now if it re-breaks its own low with a wick to fill right here, I don't see why by the end of the day it shouldn't fill this wick if it breaks down. But the only thing is, I'm a super duper scalper. I'm trying to be out in 2 to 3 minutes at the longest. So with that being said, a lot of times if I do take a loss, it ends up happening, but it happens later. I couldn't sit in that drawdown that was to come when it was in all actuality just a normal market cycle. So you kind of just got to do what works for you. Because in reality, if you did take an entry right here, the stop loss wouldn't be, or would be all the way up here. Because until it breaks this high, or really even this high, price can come all the way up here before it flips back down to fill this wick and go beyond. But knowing me, knowing the size I trade, which is 3s on this account that I need 4,500 on, and 6s on the account I'm shopping for 9,000 on, that means that I can't sit in much more than about 20 pip drawdown. Because minus 20 on a 6 is 1,200 times 5 accounts is minus 6,000. So it's nice looking at this, of course. It's cool, but the same way I can make it is the same way I can lose it. So gotta protect that downside. Gotta protect the downside. What about break up the 1 hour high? Yeah, that's not bad. It's definitely not bad. You talking about like its own high? Came down, re-broke its own high to come up. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad, but I prefer a enclosure above here just because I saw a support right there. So since I saw a support right there, I'd rather just see if this can close above this to mirror this move up. Because the way this is doing this right now, this could be just a flip up to continue down. Because all time frames are bearish. Bearish. So a re-break of this whole 1 hour high is not bad. But it's like you just don't know how high you taking it up. It gave you 20 to 30 right there though, just in doing that. So it can close above here though, which is above here. And it has nothing but clean range right here. So I would definitely take that as an opportunity, which would be breaking that high. I just don't want it to run off. If they can close like right in here, I wouldn't even be worried about this. I'd be anticipating that it would do what it did here and here. All right, guess I'm about to delete again. All right, delete. Everyone saw that I deleted. And once I flip that down again, I'll put it again. But maybe this is enough to start going down or going up. I'll be right back because it's unlikely I do anything in the next 6-7 minutes anyway. Well, let's see. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll have my phone on me, so if it starts getting close, then I'm gonna run back over. But I'll be back.
Perfect.
Well, that was short-lived. bro. There's so much volume in these candles. Still looking for the same move. That's a new resistance on the 15 or on the 5 minute. Even though it's a small time frame, still a new resistance on the left. Let's see if this shit just want to keep coming down. And much like I said, so this was a top wick and it's flipping back down. So like, yes, you would have secured 20, 25, 30, but like that's not the real move of the day. And it just, all it did was come up and even respected this high right here. So it's breaking lows, breaking lows. All right. Is a 4 time the charm. Is the 4 time the charm. I don't even want to set this shit right now, but I just don't want to miss it in case it does want to come on down. It just keeps playing around this same 4-hour support right here. Four-hour support, 1 hour support. Because honestly, even if 30 minute just closes below here, that wouldn't be bad. Like I can even move my support down to here and just wait on a closure below there if it don't even get me in before that. We'll see. That trade like a cheat code though. Bro, this candle really got 1 pip away, or like less than like 5 pips away right there. That'd been a sad little day. Chilling in the rain. It's almost like we've seen this before. Chilling in the rain. Up, down, up, down. So we broke out that time. We went up. This time we didn't really get a bottom wick, so it just kind of went up and came down. This time came up. We'll see. Got 10 viewers. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Like and subscribe. Definitely like and subscribe. What's the trade here? What's up, Justin? So you can go back and rewatch the stream if you need to, and rewatch any of my streams, honestly. But when I trade, look for three things: a breakout, a fake out, and a break of the daily high or low during a time of volume. In this instance, the daily price action suggests that after we've made a top wick, that if we can re-break its own low after respecting this resistance, should be able to come down and fill this wick on the higher time frames. But I scout for the most part, so sometimes my entries are either a little too early, or the technical stop loss, which would be way the hell up here, or even the previous daily high, would be too much for that. So I know that if I trade something such as a impulse entry break up the daily low, that I know if I'm trading 3s and 5s and 6s, that I just got to cut it quick and reassess if I want to get back in. But for now, I'm not in anything. I'm looking for a closure, either a closure below on a 30-minute time frame, a closure back in the range, or above, which would be above here, anticipating that after this candle close below, this candle close below, this candle close below, if this candle can close back above all these, I'm anticipating that it can do what it did here and here. And if it wants to come down at 9:30 during a time of volume, I'd also take that, anticipating that it's a little high from the entry right now, but if it breaks this low during 9:30, which is ultimately the time that I have the most success, right here, and I will put my trust and faith in that. But if the more you watch, you'll realize I'm trying to take one trade if I can. If I have a say so. One trade, one session, one pair. I have no sell stops. I have no buy stops. This 5-minute candle, just a mini rocket ship. For 40. So it's honestly looking like 9:30. The 1 hour is starting to re-break its highs after coming into this same support right here. That gets found in the 30-minute time frame right here. And it's just respecting it. If this candle can close back in this range, it'd be better above here, but it's fine above here, honestly. At 9:30, that is. So I'm anticipating that 9:30 close back above. All these are breaking these highs, we should be good. Like even right now, impulse entry right there wouldn't be bad, but it can come right up into here and start rejecting. So that's why I'm gonna just wait on 9:30. It got 1, 2, 3 pips away from my entry down here. So I'm definitely glad it didn't get me in. Gotta ask one of our other friends about that. He said, why not just short a smaller size here? No real right or wrong answer to that. You can. You can do whatever you want. What I tell Antonio earlier, there is no we. This is me.
Come on, this is me.
This right here is me. This is James Kirkland, the number 3. This is me. But you feel free to do whatever you want to do. I'm just gonna share my ideas and bounce it off in the meantime. Because one thing you'll hear me often say in this chat is, "What you think about this, Tonio? What you think about this, Roger?" And sometimes Tonio is gonna say, "I'm good." Sometimes he's gonna say, "I like it." But everyone is an individual. Oh, look, it's struggling at that little zone right there. Not to say that it can't keep breaking its own high and close above, but like that's that area that we done fell out of a couple times. So like, I'd rather just wait. That's the support that got respected all these times. So shit, I'd rather just wait on a closure above it. And if it run off before 9:30, ID. If it drives, it drives. But I wait. I'd rather be out wishing I were in and in wishing I were out. Are you here to take trades or are you here to make money? That's something for you to decide. Everybody can take trades. I could put a 4-year-old up here and they can take a trade. But are you here to make money and be disciplined? That's ultimately up to you. What are we looking like, Tonio? What's the plan, man? I'm just hanging out right now.
Nah, we are right now.
30-minute closure above. 30-minute closure above after rejecting out of these supports. Which is the support on a 30-minute. 1 hour support right there. 4 hour support right there. Pulling back up after breaking lows, activating sellers. But is it going to close above or is it going to keep rejecting? Because honestly, the impulse trader in me says, I don't care if 930 come and give a down wick, it breaks that high, it should be good regardless. But for my peace of mind, I would love a closure above if it obviously keeps rejecting. So there we go. Like I be saying, I'm gonna actually be back this time. Let's see. I ladder in and out, so I started building with a small side. Damn, that's what's up. I wish I could do that. I can't. I got too much risk on the table in my initial position. I know my end result in the first 2 to 3 minutes. I know whether I'm gonna call it or not. There you go, breaking that high. So hopefully it starts exhausting that down after breaking that high. Pulling back a little bit. And leave some range for 930 to come up to here. See, that's 50 pips right there, bro. If it closes exactly where it's at, that's plenty of room for me. So I'm gonna just see what it do. I need some new shoes. My favorite thing to say is I don't know where my next meal is coming from. Because I don't know if I'm gonna win another trade this week. I don't. Don't see though. All I know what I can control is my position sizing and my time in the market. I can control myself taking 5 trades. I can't control what it does when I get in my one good trade. Is this rejecting out of this resistance right here or not? Do we go ahead and move it up to there and say I prefer a closure above that? Do you anticipate that at 930 that won't matter, and if it's closed above the 915 or this support right here on the 15, that it should be good with a wick down? We'll see. I'm liking it though. So once again, I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this so people don't get confused. I'm gonna wait till 930. My money play. I'll be back. 30 seconds. I hear 945. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not forcing nothing. I can't even lie to you like I will. We got this resistance right here that it obviously just rejected out of. And I was going to try my hand if I at least got a closure above this. This is obviously rejected out of it. This came up rejecting out of it. We just still sitting in this resistance. It didn't close over nothing. Not a thing. It's looking like a 10:30, 10:45 day, ain't it, Sonia? For us.
Man, hey, I hope not.
We. You on a we. That's a we for you. All right. That's the 1 hour candle still open. That could have just been the top wick to come down. Let's see. We. Wish you guys the best of luck in your I do trade. I mean, because good morning. Came across you guys by accident. I do trade. I've been doing it for 3 years because of technology. Things have changed completely and the opportunities are immense. For sure. Thanks for ain't trying to play with this thing again.
I'm not trying to play with this thing again.
Man, I'm not even looking. I mean, what I say though, bro, like until I got a closure above that, all it did was just respect. Come down. Not here to play. It's been raining all week, but like I said, after last week, I understand. I see your game. Great. What you think? What you think? I don't even want to set that bit.
He told me I don't even want to set it.
Bro, I don't.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Boy, you got me scared. I said, who said that? DJ came out the woodwork. I thought DJ came out the woodworks, man.
DJ came out the woodwork. Man, DJ was just in here on Monday.
I know he peeked his little head in here to lie. Boy gonna come in here, tell a lie, and then leave. That boy said he ready to be disciplined. I said, nigga, you ain't ready. You ain't ready for shit. Anybody can say it. Until you look in that mirror. I know he ain't looked in the mirror. Because he missed all the mirror conversations.
He talking about, I know he looked in the mirror.
And man, I know he been running. Running will not save you. He said he gonna come back into September. Let's see. That's that 5 minute. All right, I'm gonna set it again. On the off chance that it does get me my fourth time in it now. One or two. But
I never deleted it. I'm not gonna lie. I got it.
Yeah, like it ain't no. I mean, until it give you a reason to delete it. One of my little again.
What I don't want to happen is
I ain't worried. I ain't worried. I ain't worried about nothing. All right, let's see. Shit. All right, let's see. Is it gonna just spike down? It's still a 30-minute candle. We just broke that low. Hey man, where we at? Where we at? I gotta get it ready. Bro, we gonna respect this same little 30-minute support though. It's time to break through that. It's really time. So as this keep break, like I said, I like it because if this breaks this low, which break the daily low, if that breaks that low, then that previous 4-hour low is also gonna be broken. Oh, don't do this. Come on now. Ooh. Damn, bro. They be scaring me with that. Anyway, like I was saying, the previous 4-hour low is gonna break. All right, get ready. Just in case it slipped me and I gotta move some. All right. About to be close. I'm gonna get my hand on a trigger finger, boy. Ooh, 5-minute candle about to close. It's about to just shoot down. Be quick. Ooh,
Stop filled.
Oh no. Ain't nothing to really do. You just gotta manage it.
Ooh,
Kinda
come
gotta manage it.
on.
You kinda gotta manage it. Gotta have your finger on the trigger. If it starts pulling negative bad, just get out.
Come on, Mud.
All right. Let's see. Can I go stops to break even yet? 16, 22. I'm gonna stops at break even. No. Push. Come on, man. Push. Finish. Oh my God. I'm still not out. I'm still in. Come on, man. Bro, this has gotten close to my TP 3 times now. All
Order
right.
filled.
All right, I'm out.
Yeah, I got out too. It wasn't no point.
Yeah. Okay. That's my fucking day. That's my day. I got 230 on this account. I got perfect exit on this account. Look at that. Bruh. You cannot call this shit. You cannot call it for nothing. And so yeah, I missed out on a cool little 80 right here. But what's most important? These accounts. So that's my trade. That's my trade. That's my day. I literally can't take nothing else. I maxed out on everything I can make. So my exit over here was 57.4. My exit over here was 58.2. I got out 8 pips later over here because I was trying to see if I could run it. But it's gonna keep dropping though. But that's not my business. What a day. What a day. Boy, this scared me, Tonio. That 5-minute opening. I don't like it, bro. When that 5-minute open, bro, we got in at that first second of the new 5-minute candle. I hate that shit. Yeah, this account has been getting the short end of the stick lately, but that's fine. I want to say how much I make on those accounts. 91140. Yeah. So I made 91140 on these accounts, and then on my trade, and then on my Lucid trading accounts, I made 1172. Why did I only make 1172 if I multiplied that times? Did they get slipped? It might have got slipped bad. That's what might have happened. I might have got slipped on those because I had it at times 2. I should have made $1,800. I'm gonna have to go log out and see. So let me log out, log into my Lucid accounts. Let's see what really went on. 1,200. Oh damn! I got slipped by 4 pips. I got slipped by 4 pips on the exit, and I got slipped by 5 pips on the entry.
Damn, that's crazy.
That is, yeah. My entry price over here was 3760.5, and over here was 3759.8. And then my exit was 3757.8, and my exit over here was 3757.4. Nigga, that's disgusting. I got slipped bad. Ugh. And I gotta get to 9,000. I'm looking at 73,999. So that means I gotta make 1601 tomorrow. But I done maxed out on what I got to make over here, which is cool. It's all good though. That's just what come with copy trading. Like the little bit of latency is all the difference. Whoever took that trade, congrats. Less than 2K from a payout. Okay, Brandon. Why did that shit get me out so late over here is my question though. Bro, I'm trading a 6. Like, bro, I'm talking about that's 9 pips difference. That should be an extra $540.
Yeah, facts.
That's a lot across 5 accounts too. That's 3 bands that I got hold on today. but I can't cry over spilled milk. So, what you make? What you hit for? I know it was stuttering around that TP.
Yeah. I
What
took
you
the
hit for?
20. I hit the 20. I took the 24 ticks. I didn't even let it.
Nigga, I had that 30 set, and I'm like,
Yeah, I had
come
30
on
cent
now.
too.
I had 30 set, and I'm like, bro, it got to 810, 660, 810, 540. I'm like, all right, bro. Like, don't. And then I had my stop loss at break even, too. I'm going to sign out of this one. I'm going to sign. I mean, it's funny because when I be taking that type of trade, like, it ain't really much to say about the analysis. Like, it's like, it kind of was what it was, like, regular daily low, time of volume. But I caught my 30 over here. I caught 23 over here. Or sometimes this be logging me in and then getting me out because it's saying I'm using too many. You can only use Project X on one platform. I was like, oh, okay. All right, so it's about to keep breaking lows. So whoever want to get antsy, just keep on putting sell stops to the break of the daily low because it's gonna keep on coming down. But I'll take my little 230 on this account. Can't cry over spilled milk. Could have had. I ain't gonna lie, I had it set for like 50, and it would have hit it. But I started getting nervous. I'm like, come on, bro. One thing I don't like doing is letting profits turn to break evens or zero, especially when you just seen 25, 30. And that's the way it was jumping too. When it started jumping, that's when I get scary. All right, so bro, we ain't have no stop loss. I'm gonna just do 100. I had no stop loss. So I'm gonna write that in the breakdown. Break of daily low. No technical stop loss as new. 5-minute candle was entry candle with no top wick. Took on 30. Bro, that's so ass because bro, if I hit for 30 on these accounts and 1172 on these accounts on a 6, bro, that means that they got me out at 20 pips when I hit for 30. All right, Trey Copia. I understand it's beta testing, but come on now. Come on now. Like I said, I ain't gonna cry over spilled milk and all. Damn. That's big when you're trying to get to payouts. Because now I mean, I don't need to do shit, but it would be nice to make 1,600 tomorrow. But if I had the same exact happening tomorrow as that happened today, you would like to think it won't happen twice. It just would be better for the peace of mind to not need to do nothing. And now I got to make an extra $600 that I didn't anticipate making tomorrow. That's a lot. That's a big difference. That means I could have went down to my size like a lot. Because now if I need to make 1,600 on them accounts, I got to throw a 6 for 25. Yeah, I got to throw a 6 for 25. And I caught 31 on this. 31, so it's let me about 11. But I'll go ahead and put in the playbook. Break of daily high or low. During the time of volume, we were hunting that thing out like a beast. That 930 candle though. Damn, that's lame. I'm still a little annoyed by that though. Wow. That's a big difference. It's always some shit you can't control happening in the markets though.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't cry over that spilled milk. Like, some niggas lose. How about that? It'd be different if I was just a losing ass trader. It's just a little annoying. That's all, but I'm gonna get it tomorrow. I wonder if Roger took that. He ain't say nothing in the chat. Is he in the chat? Yeah, he in the chat. I know he be watching like a hawk from that phone.
You had no choice.
Man. And I know it was jumping around. Damn, I hate that I lost that. Or not lost. I didn't lose. Losing's not the word. I hate that it didn't get me out where it should have got me out at. 1, 2. I'm gonna put all these into the file, and then I'm gonna get off. You calling it a day?
Yeah.
Trick question, bro. Trick question.
Try to get that.
I mean,
little,
you can. Like I said, it's no
extra
we.
60.
You be my guest, please. Go take another trade. Me? Him? No, sir. That's what's not gonna happen.
It's gonna be nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Hey, if you can keep rolling out this exact same day for 4 or 5 more days, your payout is on the way, sir. Said that nigga didn't learn his lesson. That nigga is not learning his lesson. I wonder what Jamal at.
He talking about I looked in that mirror.
Jamal, what you at, brother? Here. I said, he didn't learn nothing. He ain't learned shit. Yeah, where is Police ain't on here? All right.
He just left. No, he just left.
Okay. I was like, all right now. Damn. All right. Yeah, I got major hoes because now I forgot that my highest isn't across all accounts. It's the lowest you want to look at to make sure all accounts are over that buffer. So I hate playing this game because the market don't give a fuck about what you need to make.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. The lowest I'm at is 72.59. 9,000 minus 72.59. I need to make 17.41 tomorrow, bro. So I need to hit on a 6 for 30 to cover the spread, or a 6 for 29. Bruh, I was so close. All I needed was a 6 for 20 tomorrow, a 4 for 30. Like, bro, they really, like, they robbed me. They robbed me.
Nah, they did.
They robbed me. They robbed your boy. All right, so let's see. All of my accounts are now updated in the system. So let's see what we at now. They robbed me bad. They robbed me bad. I have nothing to say. That was my highest profit day of the month, though. But it still don't feel right because I got hold.
I feel that too.
Brandon might have some little payouts coming. All jokes aside. Well,
congratulations, Brandon.
It's on the way. It's on the way. Tonio, what's your total balance at? 450, 460?
Yeah, 430 actually. 25,430.
You can have a nice little. If you can get over 620, 630 tomorrow, that'd be a cool day. Let alone 7. That's 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And you didn't even trade Monday or Tuesday.
Nah, I only traded 2 days.
Literally. So the market it's picking up. It's picking up. But for what it's worth, I'm gonna do one last little breakdown just for leaving, just in case anybody wants to stay on and trade. So the 1 hour candle is the candle that's about to close. You get a closure under there, you likely good to come down into probably at least here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw these up how I normally would. Right there.
Yeah.
Looking to target down into probably this wick right here.
I like that.
Final target,
I like that too.
What'd you say?
I said I like that too.
Yes, sir. You see all these wick rejections coming out of there. I'd probably be just targeting that wick. Closure below, wick up, break of that low. Boom. Buys. Good luck.
You talking about buys? Good luck.
Buys. There. I mean, bruh, the wick fill. There you go. 4 hour breaking all these lows. 4 hour is about to close, and it's right at this support right here. So buy, actually, all jokes aside, could come out of this, like right here. 15-minute break at a high, like targeting into here. Or the 30-minute break at a high. Or 30-minute breaking down and re-breaking its own high. Part of me wanna take something else. Not on these, but I can't. It's no point. That's not good that's not good. Because right now, at least it's in striking distance for tomorrow. Like while I have to hit it perfectly, it's in striking distance for tomorrow. If I take a loss, I can't even make it tomorrow, or it might mess up my consistency. So at that point, I might as well just put my eggs in one basket, realize it was technological error. And it's really not even technological error. It's latency. Like it's really just latency. I just happen to be a victim of both. I just happen to be a victim of both, the downside and the upside. But I'm gonna still rock with the trade copier through and through. Still my baby. But if I'm not mistaken, let me see what my balances are, because I made 911 today. Damn, that 5 minute pushing. Anyway, I made 911 today on all 5 TradeAbate accounts. Well, since I made 911 on all 5 TradeAbate accounts, let's see what my TradeAbate, let's see what I got to make on that to hit. So I'll go to the lowest one, like I always say. So 3,053 plus 911. 3,053.40 plus 911. 40. 3,964, and I got to make 4,555. So 911.40 times 5 is 4,557. 4,557. $4,557 minus 3,964. 4,557 minus 3,964. I got to hit for 593 tomorrow on them accounts. That's a 3.
Yeah. That's not terrible though.
It's not. What I probably am gonna do, I don't know, bro. Something in me is saying like, what I can either do is I can either throw that 3 for that 30 like I've been doing, or I can throw a 3 for 20 on these accounts, or a 3 for 21, and do my multiplier times 3 for 20, which would be 21, which would be 1,800. But boy, if that shit goes bad,
You talking about that shit?
nigga, that is $1,800 on minus 20. That's why I'm partly like, nah.
It's about to feel that week.
Bruh, what? I see it on my other screen. Is it gonna close with no top wick though? Nah, it closed slightly below. Slightly below. But it left the wick fill on the 1 hour, the 30 minute. It closed below on the 1 hour. It closed below on the 30 minute. It closed above on a 15. So you know what that means for James Kirkland III. Been fun. Whoever's still trading, I have a grand time.
Great trade today.
Great trade. 1 win. Said trade copy is still the truth. Like you said, somebody lost.
Clap it up in the chat.
If you're still on the YouTube, appreciate you tuning in. I wonder if Lysandra on. She's my girl. Lysandra be killing it. All right. Like you said, Daryl, latency, it is what it is. It comes with the game. It's the first day that's happened. So if it would have went in my direction, I'd have been happier. So it's all good. Yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow. See y'all.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get it.